from Houston, Texas. And so this particular talk is about the evening the carbon monoxide detector had gone off in my domicile. That was on December 7th, and since then I've been experiencing some other horrific things, such as falsified, planted drug paraphernalia in my Jeep Wrangler, finding little items of suspicion, such as little plastic baggies in and around my camper, and some weird plastic things that I can only postulate might be used to seal items of suspicion in. And then on the work front, during the summer, coincidence? Who knows? Coincidence? Who knows? But I had a supervisor accuse me of stealing a narcotic and then refused to show me the narcotic log of the date in question. Who does that? And so this particular evening, my carbon monoxide detector goes off when I had no running electricity. That day, the electricity got shut off, and I didn't get it on in time. And so here is the story as it was unfolding. So you'll see two clips. The first clip of the thing going off, the carbon monoxide detector going off, and then the 911 fire. And so stand by, stay tuned for that video. Okay, I just finished filming and just closed the windows, and now the carbon monoxide thing is going off. It's like 3:18. I had the windows open the whole time, and yeah, I guess I better step outside. It's so embarrassing. My whole life is a shambles. I spent all of my time working 72 hours a week, getting rest. I was actually suicidal whenever my kids left. I'm over it now. I'm falling back in love with life. Was trying to get some healing at Renaissance Festival. Then they turned around. A lot of those lovely assholes gang stalked me. Didn't get any rest there. And now that I am ready to get my life back on track, I have fire department in there. They're good looking too. To pay witness to my wreck. So let's see if there is any carbon monoxide. Got a funny taste in my mouth. Tell you what, just because somebody looks like they're living less than savory, they could be fighting their own personal battles. Try not to judge people. Instead of judging somebody, why don't you try and help somebody? And incidentally, I am a little dizzy. Now. Because I had a funny taste in my mouth. Now I'm a little dizzy. And I'm not going to the hospital. I'm gonna go get a room somewhere. Get some rest. Tell you what, something's rotten in Denmark, and it's not me. If you watched the videos, thank you very much. That was that was just like mind-boggling, okay? Number one, carbon monoxide detector to go off when there is no electricity. I'm gonna tell you something.
I actually opened up the windows before fire got here, and then the detector went off, actually stopped, like maybe 10 minutes before they got here. And so, just weird happenstance, weird happenstance. But I'll tell you something, whenever that was happening, yeah, I had a weird, funky taste in my mouth. I wear lipstick all the time, so one of the biggest indicators, objective data, as you would say, a actual sign would be, is what we're taught, red cherry lips. Did I have red cherry lips at the time? I always have red cherry lips. And I wasn't going to take off my lipstick to see. But yeah, I did have a headache, and I had a funky taste in my mouth. And so I haven't had any issues since, thank goodness. But I'll tell you what, that was just a foreshadowing of what was to come in the next few days. So that's my video documentation of having the carbon monoxide detector go off in my house. Coincidence? Coincidence not. Who knows? Who cares? The fact is, it happened. So thank you for listening. Little Flower from Houston, Texas. More than a conqueror, surviving gaslighting and surviving gang stalker.